Good morning, grade 10. Hope you all are okay. Today our lesson is also about the limit of a function. But today we are going to find the limit as x approaches plus or minus infinity. Certain things you should learn before going on. A number divided by infinity is 0 because a number is negligible to infinity, and infinity over any number is infinity. The first example is we would like to find the limit as x approaches plus or minus infinity of this function. In such a case, you look for the highest degree and you take its common factor. In this case, 2x to power 3 is the highest degree. X to power 3, the third degree, is the highest. You take 2x cubed and you divide by 2x cubed the rest. So that make sure if you re-multiply, you end up with the original function. You don't have to change the value. As we said before, 3x squared over 2x cubed is 3 over 2x. When you substitute for x infinity, it is 3 over infinity, 0. 5 over infinity is also 0. We end up with the limit as x approach plus or minus infinity of 2x cubed. By substituting, you will end up with plus or minus infinity. Step 2, cases of rational function. We took the case of a polynomial. Now we are going to talk about rational functions. When the numerator and the denominator have same degree, when the degree of numerator is greater than that of denominator, and when the degree of numerator is less than that of the denominator. By taking examples, example A, we'd like to find the limit as x approach plus or minus infinity of this rational function. You notice that the numerator and denominator have the same degree, which is second degree. Whether they have the same or different degrees, the first step to do is you take the highest degree common factor. As we did before, this is the numerator, you end up with 2x squared, and this is the denominator, you end up with 3x squared. So x squared will be eliminated and you end up with 2 over 3. The limit as x approach plus or minus infinity will be 2 over 3. The second example, you noted that the degree of the numerator is highest than that of the denominator, but also we should take the common factor. We ended up with this expression, and in the denominator you take 3x squared. You know that 4 over 3x squared 0 if x approach infinity. Similarly, 5x over 2x cubed, which is 5 over 2x squared and 1 over 2x cubed. These values are zeros. Then, if you eliminate the x, you end up with 2x over 3. If you substitute for x plus or minus infinity, the result will be plus or minus infinity. The third case, when we have the denominator's degree is higher, also you take the highest degree common factor. You end up with a limit of 2 over 3x squared. By substituting for x, a number over infinity will be 0. To practice, you need to solve these exercises. Hope you understood, and if anything happens or you didn't understand or you need any help, just let's communicate on the WhatsApp. Bye-bye. See you next time.